Let's take a look and see what comes in the box. Again, lovely packaging by Renpho, as always. I always love their items. We take this out. Let's have a look. So here is the skipping rope, just here. Now what first comes out is it feels very, very solid, like proper good quality. You can feel the skipping rope there. Now you've got that's where it's going to be turned on shortly. We'll show you guys how to set it up. There's the other skipping rope just here. Take that off, away. You've got this actual rope itself, batteries. You've got I assume these are clips. Not sure what that is, we'll find out in a minute. And you've also got the bag to carry it in, as well as an instruction booklet on how to set it up, which is great. So we're going to set this all up now. So we'll do it with you guys. So put this to the side. Now again, this has got 3 workout modes, and it gives you live workout data while using the app as well, which is great. Also love the LCD screen. I love all the little touches as well that you always get with Renpho. So here it is here. So to start with, I assume we've got to put the batteries in. So if we undo that, there's the batteries in there. So again, it's come with the batteries too, which I think is a really good touch. And again, this is me doing this live as we're talking. So you just tie it around like this. You put that thing through there. And this little clamp thing here automatically stops it too, which is good because it means you can adjust it very, very easily for different weights. So as you can see, now it's been completed and the rope's automatically powered on. You can see on there, it's got see, on there. So this is giving you a timer. So this is when it starts. This is where you actually go and start your skip jumping as well. Now you need to go and also sync this up with the app as well. So if we go to, so we'll show that when we do the full review, how to set up. But there we've got the skipping ropes. As you can see, it's nice and long, and it's very, very exciting.